Am I the only one who thinks that compassion could be more powerful than incarceration? Let's dive deep into a world without prisons. What if the secret to a safer society is not more prisons, but more understanding and support systems? Imagine replacing cells with community centers, courtrooms with counseling services, and guards with guides. In this future, instead of spending billions on incarceration, we invest in mental health, education, and housing. These aren't utopian dreams. They're practical solutions that tackle the root causes of crime. Now think about the human cost. Countless lives have been derailed by a system that often ignores the potential for rehabilitation and redemption. By focusing on healing rather than punishing, we can unlock a reservoir of untapped potential. Every one of us has a role to play. The cost of incarceration is immense, both financially and in terms of human potential. Whether you're a teacher, a tech guru, a parent, or a policymaker, your actions can propel this vision forward. It's time to rethink justice. Many are in jail for offense they never committed. Some are released after 40 to 50 years in prison. They are released and found not guilty. It's time to build a world where support systems shine brighter than prison bars. Are you ready to be part of this transformative journey? Think it's possible? Like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Let's make justice truly just. Subscribe for more ideas that could change the world. Join us, be the change. Join the discussion.